Hi teachers, I'm going to show you how to add people to your course in the roles of teacher or student or observer. So if you want to share content with other teachers, you could add them as a teacher in your course and you could collaborate and work on the content together. Also, adding students, you will most likely have to add students to your Canvas course because it populates students through PowerSchool. If you're not the teacher of record for your students, you will need to add them manually. So if I start from my home page, and then click into People here in the course navigation, I can come up here to the Add People button. So we're going to use email to add people. You can see here, this would be adding students. So students have this email address. It's first name, last initial, and the last 4 digits of their student ID number. So if my ID number was 123456, I would add 456. And then they have a unique email, slcstudents.org. And then I would go ahead and do next. Now this isn't a valid email, but it would validate their email and then you would click next and that would add them to your course. But let's use a real email and add a teacher. Add people. I'll do my colleague. Okay, I'm going to change this role to teacher and then click next. I get the green box that validates her email and one more click, add users. Now you might want to be added in a Gen Ed classroom teacher's course and they might not be comfortable adding you as a teacher, so they might just say, can I add you as an observer? So again, we would add people. Let's do someone else. Alex, another one of my colleagues. Okay, we're going to click Observer. And then Add. So you see we've got Leslie being added as a teacher, Alex being added as an observer, and then you would add a student. I don't have any students, so I can't show you that all the way through.